In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Nissan Versa key fob. You can see here I have this version that has 4 buttons. You might have the same thing but with 3 buttons. Doesn't matter which one you have, the process is going to be exactly the same for both of them. All you'll need to get it done is a CR1620 battery, a small sized Phillips head screwdriver. This is a number 0 Phillips head, and then some kind of a flathead screwdriver as well. If you want to get one of these batteries online, you can go check out that first link down in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. And then if you do not have the right size Phillips head to remove this screw on the back, just recommend to you what I'm using, which is this little set of precision screwdrivers. You can also get that on Amazon for just a few dollars, and that will be in the description as well. The first step is just removing that screw. So go ahead and twist it out of there and set it to the side. Now we can look to the top of the key, and you can see there's an opening in the plastic right there. That's where we're going to put our flathead screwdriver and twist. Just twist until this thing starts to crack open a little bit, and then you can work your way down the opening that we've just made, continuing to twist until it comes apart easily. Now you can take either your Phillips head or your flathead and just come over here to one of these openings that you see and try to get under the battery and lift it up and out. Can be a little bit tricky to get the right spot, but once you just get under the battery, it kind of pops right out for you. So take your new CR1620 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you'll just push it into place. It'll go right in there easily, and make sure that it's sitting flat. And we can just put the thing back together now. So line it up, squeeze it all back together, and then don't forget to put your screw back in there. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tons of tutorials for the key fobs of most models out there. And you can also get all of this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.